Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can apply animations or an animation effect to your slides on presentations on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like if you'd like to learn this and make sure you keep watching. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, let's say we're on an example slide or a presentation like this. I would like to add a couple of slide transitions to transit from one slide smoothly to the next one. You may do that by, for example, selecting transition here at the top. This is going to open up that motion menu here to the right. So what you want to do is select your slide transition type by clicking on this arrow down icon here. So you may select, for example, or choose a dissolve effect, or a fade, or slip from right, slide from right, slide from left, flip, and so on and so forth. Let me go with a slide from left, just like this. And you may also apply, for example, the speed or the adjust the speed here. Like, for example, let me choose a medium speed. And to see the preview, simply click on play, just like this. And there you go. As you can see, that's how these slides transit from one to another. And you may also, guys, for example, apply an object animation here below, like, for example, for your elements or photos. And simply click on this arrow icon here, and then click on that arrow down icon and select an animation for the given object, like, for example, fade in, fade out, and so on and so forth. Select again, adjust your animation speed, confirm by clicking on play here or watch the preview. And after that, you will see that example here. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.